Hello everyone, today in this video I am gonna show you the shoot and how I did this image. I took several shots and make a composite image in Photoshop. Let's review the image before going to the studio. For this image, I took a base shot with two lights. One is backlighting for the background and liquor inside the bottle and glass, and another light for the gradient reflection with sharp cut of line on the left side of the bottle and glass. After that, I took several shots for label, rock, splashes, and a soft reflection on the right side of the bottle as you can see in this image. Let's jump to the studio for actual shoot. I am using a rock for the base where I will put my product. I will remove the wooden box in Photoshop. Clean the product before shoot. Don't put any fingerprint on the surface of this product. Let's put our first light. I am putting the light behind the product and bouncing it from the wall. Now you will see the liquor inside the bottle and glass. Now I am using a color gel paper for the background color. As a second light, I am putting a large softbox and I will convert this softbox into a strip box by covering more than the half with a black chart paper. I am putting this softbox behind the product due to the shape of this bottle. As you can see, the shape of this bottle is not circular, it's like triangular shape. Back side of this bottle is wider than the front. Now you can see the reflection on the bottle but not on the glass because the bottle is stopping the light from the softbox. Let's put this bottle behind the glass so that the light will reflect on the glass as you can see in this image. Now it's time for the gradient reflection with sharp cut of line. For this, I am using a diffuser and touching one side of the softbox with the diffuser to create sharp cut of line. Here you can see the gradient reflection with sharp cut of line. Now I am using a black cardboard which will avoid a refraction on the liquor inside the glass. I am using a foil paper and bouncing the light to the level and creating several shots of 3 levels. Now I will take several shots for the flying glass and I will remove my hand on Photoshop. Now I will take some splash shots. Don't worry about my hand, I will take only the splash part. Let's light the rock. Now it's time for the last reflection on the right side of the bottle. On the right side I will do the same lighting setup as the left side, but this time I will keep a distance between the softbox and the diffuser, which will create a soft reflection on the bottle.